Have you ever caught yourself thinking your success is just luck, and soon everyone will find out you're a fraud? That nagging inner voice isn't just for beginners, it haunts seasoned professionals too. Studies show that around 70% of people experience this at some point in their lives. Imposter syndrome doesn't spare students, top executives, or even Nobel laureates. This isn't simple insecurity, it's imposter syndrome, a trap that millions of talented people fall into. Psychologist Dr. Jessamy Hibberd's book, The Imposter Cure, offers a step-by-step guide to breaking free from this self-made prison. Dr. Hibberd has spent over 15 years working with clients and developed a system that's helped thousands shift their self-perception. Her approach is rooted in cognitive behavioral therapy principles, recognized worldwide as one of the most effective methods for addressing distorted thinking. Step 1. Separate facts from feelings. You might feel incompetent, but the facts often say otherwise. For example, you might genuinely believe you failed a work project, yet the deadlines were met, the client was satisfied, and the tasks were completed well. Your fear is just one piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. Start an achievement journal. Each day, write down 3 things you did well. These can be major wins or small steps, a successful negotiation, a tough phone call, a report submitted on time, or simply starting your day as planned. The key is consistency. In a month, you'll have undeniable proof of your value. You can revisit this journal during moments of doubt to remind yourself, you are capable, you are making progress, you are moving forward. Step 2. Work with your inner critic. Learn to distinguish constructive feedback. This report could use improvement, from the destructive voice, you're worthless. The first points to specific areas for growth and helps you improve. The second attacks your self-worth, offering nothing but guilt and shame. The 3-column technique helps catch automatic thoughts, identify the distortion, and craft a rational response. In the first column, write down the negative thought, for example, I'll never handle this task. In the second, identify the type of distortion, catastrophizing, mind reading, or overgeneralization. In the third, formulate a fact-based rational response, I have experience. I've successfully handled similar tasks before. Over time, this process becomes automatic and actually rewires neural pathways. Step 3. Change your relationship with mistakes. For an imposter, mistakes feel like catastrophe. The author reframes them as feedback and growth opportunities. The book shares a powerful idea: the only people who never make mistakes are those who do nothing. A mistake doesn't make you a fraud, it makes you human, learning and evolving. Example, an artist feared showing her work, but after practice, she learned to filter criticism and use useful feedback, eventually building a successful business. She didn't just stop being afraid, she learned to separate unconstructive comments from genuinely helpful insights. Her fear of being exposed transformed into healthy curiosity about her audience's reactions. And that changed everything. Step 4. Learn to accept praise and fair pay. Instead of deflecting, simply say, thank you. No justifications, no explanations, no false modesty. A simple, thank you, acknowledges that the compliment is deserved. This trains your brain to accept positive feedback. And before setting your price, research the market and your actual results, base it on facts, not fear. This is especially crucial for freelancers, consultants, and creative professionals who often undervalue themselves because they feel not good enough. Gather case studies, testimonials, compare with market rates, and your price stops being audacious and becomes a simple reflection of reality. The key insight: imposter syndrome can drive success, but at the cost of burnout. Yes, the fear of being found out pushes you to work harder, constantly prove yourself. You achieve, but you don't enjoy it. Each victory brings only temporary relief, then the anxiety returns. The book helps you rise above the fog and see clearly, your achievements aren't luck, they're the result of your effort. Hibberd doesn't promise the fear will disappear forever. But she gives you tools to stop it from running your life. You deserve your place. You have a right to your success. And only you can give yourself permission to believe it. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. And drop a comment: does imposter syndrome feel familiar to you? What methods help?